What's up, everybody? It is time to take the car. Long drive last night. We got in at about 11, and it's time to go get the scotch tape off the car. But first, we're going to take it for its first oil change at 500 miles, and then take it to the detailer. They're going to do paint correction and XPEL and ceramic coating and tint the windows, and it'll be looking good. So far, the car is pretty awesome. Compared to my Z06, it's a much better car. You know, it's more refined. I like the new features, you know, the front cameras and all that stuff. It's got more power, got more traction than the Z06. I don't miss the Camaro. I thought I was gonna miss the Camaro, but man, I'll tell you what, just being able to shift the gears is fun. I enjoy it, you know, and being able to take the top off and target and all that stuff. So I'm really excited. I'm really thankful to be able to have this car. And once again, you know, I want to thank Jim Glover Chevrolet for making this happen. And you know, I'm just happy to be able to do it. You know, it's kind of a bucket list item to have done what I did with the museum delivery, and now have this car that was, you know, specially built for me. You know, it's got my name on it, and that's kind of what I wanted. So it's awesome. When I had the Camaro, but Hood North Lake Service Department is probably the best I've ever dealt with, so it's always a pleasure dealing with them. Now we're going to Dipnotic to get the ceramic and get the paint protection done. That's awesome. Got the car back. As you can see, it looks awesome. Want to thank Dipnotic in Covington. I'll put the information. You can follow them on Instagram or Facebook. They did a great job, hooked me up. So what we got was full XPEL on the front up to the doors, and then the rear quarter panels, anything facing forward, plus the spoiler, plus the roof. And then I did the Ceramic Pro, which has a full-up warranty and all that stuff, lifetime warranty on the whole car, wheels, tires, or sorry, wheels and brakes, and then ceramic tint on the windows to try to keep the interior protected. So really happy. I really thank those guys for doing a great job. And now the car is protected for the track, for Louisiana roads, whatever. I'm probably going to end up getting a second set of wheels and tires for the street, just so it doesn't throw rocks. These Cup 2s kind of wear fast and aren't the greatest for street use, so I'm probably going to get some Cup wheels with some Michelin Pilot Sport SS tires. So hope you enjoyed it. Short video, but just wanted to show the care and feeding in this car. And this is my first time driving it with it not looking like Scotch tape, and well, everybody's eyeballing this car. It's awesome. It's a good time. So thanks for watching. I will see you next time. I love the burble. Excuse me. Oh, no. Oh! About a lot of that. Usually fine with the doors off. All box too. Don't be a douche. Rule number 1.
I can tell you now.